Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by securing data and preparing the machine for a full return to factory state. First, back up everything to an external drive or cloud and confirm the files open. Next, sign out and unregister accounts, note serials and license keys so you can restore software later. Once done, plug the laptop into power, then open the recovery panel in Settings or use the built-in recovery key at boot. This starts the factory reset sequence you intend to complete. Now proceed through the reset options to perform the actual factory reset. You must choose Remove Everything to wipe personal data. Pick Full Drive Clean only if you want irrecoverable deletion, otherwise Quick Clean is faster. Decide between Local Reinstall and Cloud Download. Local uses the existing recovery partition. Cloud fetches latest image. Once you confirm, the system will restart and run automated steps. This can take from 20 minutes to several hours, depending on drive. After the reset completes, complete out-of-box setup by choosing language, connecting to Wi-Fi, and creating or signing into an account. Then install driver updates from the manufacturer and run Windows Update to ensure system stability, and restore your backed up files. If the reset fails or the system loops, make a USB recovery drive from another PC using the same OS, boot to it, and retry the recovery options. Also run the built-in hardware diagnostics to rule out failing storage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.